Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Good morning, crypto friends. Happy Friday. We're live as usual, and welcome to the Crypto Morning Show. We're looking at the BTC longs and shorts. As you can see, the shorts have backed down, so there is some persuasion into thinking we're going to head it further up to the upside. So the shorts are starting to back down a little. So let's switch over. I do want to show you a couple of things really quick as related to Ethereum. As you can see, the confirmation time is going down as well as the gas prices. So that was the intention of the hard fork, the recent hard fork. Sorry about my microphone, got weird there. There we go. That's much better. So yes, Gwei prices, aka gas, down to, or Gwei I think it's called, who knows, tapering off, and we'll look at the total DeFi market capitalization is starting to trend back up. So let's head on over and look at the price for you. Heading on over to BTC/USD. As I indicated there on the title card, and why aren't we loading? There we go. Get on in there. We're going to be looking for support to hold. Get that where it belongs. There we go. And there. So support to hold right there on that 100-day. Is that the 100-day? Nope. 50-day moving average. 39,881.51. So we want to hold on to that 40,000 mark. Round psychological number, and resistance up there at the 41,229.45. As you see, we did touch into the resistance level. So if you made this trade all the way back from here and stayed with it during this consolidation phase, it would be a good time to take a little bit of profit as we move forward. Let's have a look at ETH/USD. That's Ethereum. Ethereum hanging out there at the 2738.72, so we're looking for new support level right up there, trying to hang on to. You can see just barely that wick of that candle. See if we can't hold on to that level at 2738.66, and resistance up above. Could not get through that, that previous price, a little bit less. There we are. 2811.95. And Ethereum, we do have the 12, the 26, the 50-day and 100-day moving averages all lined up the way we like them for continuation. So Ethereum is poised for more upside potential. Let's move on to BNB/USD. That's the Binance coin. BNB had us all excited there for a second. We ran up all the way, what it was, 353, and sold back down. So we're looking at support the 332.58 and resistance 338.01, that $338 psychological number. And let's move on to Cardano. That's ADA/USD. Looking at Cardano, resistance level right there at the 1.387 support. Right at the, I can move that up just a tad. So we're sitting right on support right now as we speak. So 1.367 on the PolkaDot. So all these names so far slightly down, about 1% or so for the day, but it's still early. We got some time to run. So we're looking at 19.276 resistance for ADA and 18.727 support. Stop loss just beneath, and off to Doge. Doge going sideways, still consolidating. And we're looking up at the 0.2017 once again. And support 1982, 0.1982. LTC USD, that's the Litecoin. The Litecoin is up 0.5%. And we're looking up there at the 145.09 for resistance, and your support level is just below there, very tight, 143.68. On to LINK USD, that's Chainlink. Maintain our support level we had from yesterday, so we're going to leave that be. And we are looking at resistance coming back through 23.849. Support 22.976. XLM USD. You're starting to see we are doing a lot of sideways action here. Consolidation station. And good solid support there at the 0.272 for Stellar and 0.2780 resistance. On to Vechain, VET USD. Vechain getting very close to getting out of here. And as you can see, nice run up all the way back from, was that the 21st of July? We just been on a steady climb upward. So we're looking up at resistance at the 0.0923 and support. Get a little in there. Yeah, we can actually zoom in there. It's a good idea. At 0.0889 support. Heading on to FIL USD. FIL is up 2.99% for today. Managed to get all the way up there at the $60 mark, 60.633. Resistance, support 59.01. On the STORJ USD. And as you can see, we have resistance at the 1.1087 and support holding up at the 1.075. On to IOTA, that's Internet of Things. Resistance at the 0.9008 and support right at the 0.8771. Let's head over to Comp USD, COMP USD. Resistance at the 461.817 and support at the 452.54. On to basic attention coin, that's BAT USD. And we have resistance right there close by 0.6783 support. Lots of it right in that region, 0.6643. On to Ethereum Classic, ETC USD down 1.93% for today. We have resistance 51.823. And support at the 51.145. On to MANA, MANA USDC. Resistance up at the 0.725403. Support 0.7179. On to ZIL, ZIL USD. Just about ready to go red to green here during this live stream. So we're looking at 0.08663 support, resistance, goodness gracious, and 0.08317 support. And we're starting to get some separation in these moving averages. That's what we like to see. We have the 12, the 26, the 50, and the 100-day moving average. On to NUUSD. There's our resistance level. This is a cup and handle forming here, so watch out for that. If we can get up here and move above this, close above here, the 0.24. So that's our resistance level, 0.24036. And support is going to be, let's switch over to the 1 hour. We'll split that candle up there and get a little bit more. Yeah, we're sitting right on it as we speak. So let's see if we can hold right here at the 0.23718. NMR USD. Still going sideways and unchanged as we speak. So if I say as we speak again, go ahead and do a shot or something. So we're looking at 37.962. Support and resistance 39.524. On to a graph token. That's GRT USD. Testing resistance right there off that candle at the 0.6788. And support at the 0.670. So very, very tight range there as we try to get some resolution to the upside. UNI USD, that's Uniswap. So we have Uniswap at 25.158 as resistance, and then we are looking at support 24.50. On to AAVE USD. Resistance 367.589. Support 358.02. On to MKR USD. Down a little more than most of the others, so it's down about 4.72%. As we look up to resistance there at the 3237.57 and support level right there at the 3127.48. On the MATIC, MATIC USD. Charging along here at the resistance level 1.059. Support now holding at the 1.37. On to SOL, that's Solana. We can safely say we have a slightly better support level up here on top of this 12-day moving average, 36.6753, and resistance at the 37.4524. Heading over to audio, as indicated on the title card. Look at audio go here. It's a flying. So we have resistance all the way up at the 1.297. Support down there. Let's go to the 1 hour. We could split that big candle up there. There we go. At the 1.206 is your support level. On to CHZ USD. New resistance very clear at the 0.2659er. And support right there on top of that 12-day. At the 0.267, sorry, 0.262 for Theta, THETA USD. There we are. 7.202 is your resistance to watch out for. Let's see if we can't hold that 6.902 for support. On to ENJB USD. We have resistance 1.2 1.412 and support just beneath there at the 1.393. Looking at Harmony One, that's ONE USD. Harmony One, looking at resistance 0.0779. Support. Where are you at there? There we go. 0.0765. So watching this 50-day moving average, it seems to be clinging to that. If we look back to the left here, you can see on to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Almost did it. Getting closer, folks. Getting closer. 50613 is your support level. And just like yesterday, 5 zeros is 620. Let's have a look here at ICP USD. Finally getting this day in the sun here, shining through. Up 10.48%. So nice little run up here for ICP USD. So we're looking at resistance up at the 46.918. And support is nearby at the 43.01. Looking at AMP USD, it's AMP USD. About to go red to green. We're looking at support on this pivot low at the 0.05867. And resistance very close by at the 0.0604. Heading over to BTC.D, that is the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, the climb up here, we're up 0.5%. We're up to 46.59% of the crypto market cap is BTC. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Inverse of that, so it's down about 1.5% at 19.67. And the Doge gaining some ground here, up 0.61% to 1.59. That leaves us with a total crypto market cap of $1,646,000,000,000. Well, that gets the watch list for today. Have a good one out there, folks, and we will see you tonight at the Crypto Happy Hour. Have a good one.